Okay, I must be going fucking crazy here, because there is never, and I mean never, this much activity on this map ever. And every single one of these says private owner, and they're hardly moving. I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure every single one of these little ones is a drone. And they are hovering the entire U.S. Mainly in areas that are very constitutionally friendly. Look at Texas. This is Houston. I'm not losing my mind, because this is specific. You see that? I'm sorry, my phone is not focusing. But you see that? That says private owner, but it's not. Those are jets. Because we have this one as well. Look at that. We have all of these. All of these, guys. Every one of these is military. There is something that's going to happen, and it's going to happen quickly. People, this is, look at this. It's not even a joke anymore, guys. This is the entire U.S. covered. The entire United States is covered in military aircrafts. What are they getting ready for? People start getting prepared, because this is no joke. There's so much activity throughout the entire continental U.S. right now. Look at this. This is just random. All these little planes. All these little random planes, guys.